Have you ever considered adopting a rescue dog? Not only can you save a life, but you can also gain a loyal and loving companion. In this video, we'll explore the many benefits of adopting a rescue dog. One. Saving a life. Every year, millions of dogs end up in shelters, and not all of them are lucky enough to find their forever homes. By adopting a rescue dog, you are giving them a second chance at life and providing them with the love and care they deserve. Two. Gaining a companion. Rescue dogs often make the most loyal and loving companions. They have often experienced trauma or hardship in their lives, and as a result, they may be more appreciative of the love and care you provide. Three. Improving your mental and physical health. Studies have shown that owning a dog can have a positive impact on both your mental and physical health. Dogs provide companionship and social support, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Additionally, they can encourage you to be more active and can provide motivation for exercise, which can have a positive impact on your physical health. Four. Uniquely special personalities. Every rescue dog has a unique personality and history, which can make them incredibly special companions. Many rescue dogs have overcome significant obstacles in their lives, and as a result, they may be more resilient, adaptable, and appreciative of the love and care you provide. Five. Bringing joy to your life. Perhaps the most significant benefit of adopting a rescue dog is the joy they bring to your life. Dogs have an incredible ability to make us laugh, provide comfort, and bring a sense of joy and happiness to our lives. By adopting a rescue dog, you are bringing a new source of love and light into your home, which can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Some people may be hesitant to adopt a rescue dog, thinking they will be difficult to train. However, with patience and consistency, rescue dogs can be just as trainable as any other dog. Plus, training and spending time with your new companion can help strengthen your bond and deepen your relationship. In conclusion, adopting a rescue dog is a decision that can bring countless benefits to your life. By saving a life and gaining a loyal companion, you can improve your mental and physical health, gain a uniquely special friend, and bring joy and happiness to your life. If you're considering adding a new four-legged friend to your family, we encourage you to consider adopting a rescue dog and providing them with the love and care they deserve. Thanks for watching.